Wazazi wanataka kujua huyu ni nani, si ndio wazazi? Mmeona wamekuja tu hapa sasa tujue huyu ni nani na huyu ni nani. Twende guys.
Huyo ndo mpishi wetu kwa leo.
Tuongozana mimi leo.
Hi, my name is Kindergarten Christoph. As a future surgery doctor from Maselele Deke Nursery School. Thank you. Hi, my name is Amia Bali Abdallah. I'm future hair host from Maselele Deke Nursery School. Thank you. Hi, my name is Maselele Pool. I wear clothes. I fly in the plane. People call me Captain. I am a pilot from Maselele Deke Nursery School. Thank you. Hi, my name is Kimane Mangunda. I'm the future firefighter from Maselele Deke Nursery School. Thank you.
Makofi kwake tafadhali.
Hi, I'm future pilot from Maselele Deke Nursery School. Thank you.
Utanipa na lifti kwenye ndege. Makofi kwake tafadhali.
Hi, my name is Jadavalse. I'm a future nurse from Maselele. I'm a future lawyer from Maselele Deke Nursery School. Thank you.
Mwanasheria wetu huyu hapa tunaye hatuna? Mwanasheria tunaye hatuna? Safi kabisa.
Hi, my name is Riya Duda. I'm the future judge from Maselele Deke Nursery School. Welcome. Hi, my name is Takajur Mohammed. I'm the future engineer from Maselele Deke Nursery School. Thank you. Hi, my name is Redemption Elampepo. I am future engineer from Maselele Deke Nursery School. Thank you. Hi, my name is Goligina Sigume. I am future nurse from Maselele Deke Nursery. Welcome. Hi, my name is Miss Makweta. I future nurse from Maselele Deke Nursery School. Thank you. Hi, my name is Rahman. I am the future policeman from Maselele Deke Nursery School. Welcome. My name is Laima Jaria. I'm baby class. I'm soldier man.
Umesikia sauti ya kisoja hiyo? Soja. Ana Sina muda wa kubembeleza. I'm soldier man. Safi kabisa, tumpigie makofi mtoto. Soldier. We.
Hi, I'm Sanfuka. I'm the future soldier from Ansede Canada School.
Wow. Makofi kwa tafadhali.
Hi, my name is Kalmar. I am the future soldier from Ansede Canada School. Thank you.
Wow. Makofi kwa tafadhali. Haya, asante studio. Ninatumai wameshamaliza. Have you finished? Are you done? Okay, tupige makofi, wanasema wameshamaliza. Tumeshaona taaluma zao, naomba sasa tuwaruhusu watoto waende wakaketi. Studio